Welcome. See, I am uploading the class after a gap of nearly 1 week. The main problem all these days is rain. I can record only night time. Daytime, sound problem will come. Almost every day it was raining. If it rains, even after rain stops, some sound will come here because the top is sheet covering. That's why 4-5 days it was not possible to upload any classes. Now I will continue. See, exercise question 79. Remember, exercise question, so not too much to be told. See, this question, I will tell about something about this question. That road is 9 kilonewton. Okay, I forgot that 9. 9 kilonewton. Here also 9 kilonewton. Okay. That's the reason for that 9 kilonewton. See. Find axial forces in all members using method of joints. This question. Also, verify the results for members CD. Anyway, I will discuss later. This is a question. Now, first class. You can see some bad luck there. No. Correctly observe the frame. See. 20-20. Symmetrical. 30 center. No problem. This can be anything. 10-10. 6 meter, 6 meter, 6 meter. 60-60, 60-60, 60-60 degrees. This is a perfectly symmetrical frame. But only symmetry will not do. Loading symmetry also should be there. Loading with the reactions. Okay. Now, see, first make a note here. In case that 9 kilonewton load is not there, you write that 9 kilonewton at E this way. You write here. In case that 9 kilonewton is not there, then see hinged support, roller support. Some will tell, this already I told earlier, sir, not symmetrical. No. Wait 1 minute. See, roller support can give here vertical reaction. Hinge, there will be vertical reaction and horizontal reaction. Now, B cannot give horizontal reaction. Whatever horizontal force comes here, reaction will come at A. Now, if that 9 kilonewton is not there, see here, you cover 9 kilonewton. Make sigma H equal to 0. HA equal to 0. See, therefore, if that 9 kilonewton force is not there, horizontal reaction at A is 0. Then at A, there will be only vertical reaction. B also only vertical reaction. Then, see, symmetrical loading, vertical reactions only, it will become perfectly symmetrical. Advantage is that when you find reactions, you do not have to waste time. You can write VA upward equal to VB upward equal to total downward load divided by 2. 20 plus 30 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10. All those loads together divided by 2. Each will come 45 kilonewton. Okay. Now, and also, when you go to method of joints, you need not analyze the full frame. See, you start from one side. See, start from A. Get these two. Come here, come here, come here. See, you get force in this member, this member, this member, this member, and this member. See, then because of symmetry, this same as this one. This member same as this one. This member same as this one. This one same as this one. This one same as this one. This is unique. But anyway, bad luck right here. That 9 kilonewton load is the symmetry spoiler. This type of question I had done earlier. That 9 kilonewton is symmetry spoiler, troublemaker. So bad luck. This is not symmetrical. So we have to solve like ordinary question. Okay. Now, earlier class, see, I gave, if you remember, angles are not given, height given. This time angle given. See, if height given, you can find the angle. If angle given, you can find the height. These are all already over. No one should ask anything about all these things. Okay, now do one thing. First, calculation of axial forces in all members by method of joints. Right here, what all I tell. Consider vertical reaction VA, vertical reaction VB, horizontal reaction HA, take moment about A minus VB into total is 18 meter. See right here 666 minus VB into 18 plus 10 into 6 plus 1 more 10 into 12 plus 20 into half of 6 is 3, 30 into 6 plus half of 6 is 9 plus 20 into 6 plus 6 12 plus another 3 15. Then the troublemaker minus 9 into this height. This height you require. That height, you see the triangle here? Triangle. Tan 60 equal to that height divided by 3 meter. Height will come. See, I written somewhere here. You should not here. In the beginning only you require. You get this height as 5.1962 meter here. Find reaction VB, sigma V0 VA, sigma H0, get HA. Okay, reactions are over. Draw a neat sketch. See, I told you, this is your star sketch. This is your star sketch. Someone will ask, sir, what is star sketch? You are not regular to my class. In method of joint, class after class, I was telling about star sketch. Okay, now, method of joint you have to solve. I will solve. See, exercise question, direct answer. Okay, I will start now. Anywhere you start, no problem. 47.598. I will keep on telling what I am doing if you want. For those who are interested, they can listen what I am telling. See, 47.598 divided by sin 60. 54.961. But I won't explain why. This is exercise question. 54.961. See, all values are in kilonewton. I do not want to waste space here. 961 into cos 60 is something this side minus 9. 18.481. 18.481. 481. 481. I will come to joint C. 54.961 into sin 60 is 47.598. So this is up, this is down. That's all. I decided. Minus 20 divided by sin 60. That's all. 31.867. 31.867 kilonewton. Now this is this way. This is this way. 31.867 plus 54.961. Both of them together into cos 60. That's all. 43.414. I will come to this joint now. 42.402 divided by sin 60. 48.962. 962 into cos 60 will give this force. 24.481. Direction I will decide, no problem. 24.481. Okay, then now I will come to this joint. 48.962. You go to any joint of your choice. 962 into sin 60 is 42.402 up. So this is down, this is also down. Minus 20 divided by sin 60. That's all. 25.868. 25.868 is this force. Then horizontal. 48.962. 962, correct? Yes. Plus 25.868 together into cos 60 will give this way force. Plus another 9 is there. Plus 9 more. 46.415. 46.415. Okay, now I will come to this joint. 25.868 into sin 60 is 22 point something up. So this is down. I got it. Down. I will subtract 10 again divided by sin 60. 14.321. Some will tell, see, so easy. 14. Now, if I do horizontal there, 20, both are right side. 14.321 plus another 25.868 into cos 60 Oh, something went wrong there. Into cos 60 will give you some 20 something plus another 24.481. It will be 44.576. 44.576. Okay. 44.576 kilometer. Now, I will come to this joint. 31.867 into sine 60. That is actually up. So this is down. Down and up. Okay. From that one, I will subtract 10. Divide by sine 60. I will get 20.320. 20.320. Now, I will check horizontal equilibrium here. If I check horizontal equilibrium, 20.320 plus 31.867 into cos 60, total coming 26 point something, plus 18.481 is 44.5757576. Perfectly okay. I will come to joint T and check the equilibrium. 20.320 plus 14.321. I will check the way I like it. Into sine 60. Total is 30. Oh, perfectly tally. Horizontal equilibrium. This is the way. 43.414 plus 20.320 into cos 60 is the net right side force. I will subtract 46.415. I will divide by cos 60. I will get this force. 14.318. 318 came. 321.003 error is not a problem. Okay. Perfectly over. Okay, now I will go to second part of the question. I am trying a new one today. See, today there is no mic. I am using wireless. So first of all, I should know how is the quality first of all. So for checking purpose, I will stop and restart. Okay, now see, I talked about the rain. I think rain heard me. Slowly starting raining now. I don't know. Small drizzles are coming. So today, helplessly, I will just finish this question and upload it. Short class. Okay, now this one correctly get the answer. Okay, now second part of the question. To verify the results for members. See here. CD. I'll put here now. See. I'll put that dot here. CD. DF. CF. CD. Then DF. Yes, DF and FG. These three members, they want to verify. Remember, exercise question. Still I am telling. Okay. Now, those who want, make a note. You refer the sketch used for finding reactions, not the sketch. There, unknown reactions are unknown. But by this time, you know the reactions. So what you do? Consider section XX, cutting above three members. See here. Cut these three members. These three members is F also intact. Okay. So I think the sketch is wrong because I consider CD, DF and next is which one? Next is DE, EG. Okay. DCD, FG. These three members. Okay. I'll change it. See. Slight alteration I have to make now. Okay, no problem. Nothing to worry. See. Height I'll put later. See. What happens now? You cut, see. Cut like this. I'll show the cut here for you. See now. You should write separate sketch. This way cut, and this way cut. This all explained for you. Not this sketch. In the second sketch you have to write. One more sketch you have to write showing the cut. You see what I was doing all these days. Follow that one. So A, F, C are intact. See, intact means it will be there. A will be there, C will be there, and F will be there. Okay, this is F. So this force is 20 kilonewton here. 20 kilonewton. This reactions I entered already. Then this is C. Here one force is there. How much? That is 10 kilonewton. Now, since you are cutting here, CD, then see FD and FG. This all explained for you. Little length here, then next little more length here, little length here. See, this angle is 60 degrees. Okay, I think visible. Okay, now show the cut here. I just check the camera once. Okay, see this way. Therefore, see now this joint is which joint? F. Okay, black I write F joint. F. See, this force is force in which one? See, we are cutting like this. See, force axial force for CD. This is this force CD. This force is where from here FD, PFD. PFD. I'll check the camera later. Other one is PFG. 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 Now, if you remember correctly, the dimensions, this height is, you may require this height. How much it is? 5 point, I forgot the height now. I calculated just now. See, this height required. This height required. 5 points, I'll calculate once again. What is there? 3 tan 60. 3 into tan 60 is 5.1962 meter. 5.1962 meter is this height. And this length is 3 meter. 6 meter. 6 meter over. Now, if make a note, first of all, I should not tell, but I am telling because we are in the second question of the method of joint with method of sections. Suppose this is an independent question for method of section, then what you do? Then I told you, you assume all forces going away. I'll check the camera once. Assume all forces going away. 1 minute now, slightly I'll shift the camera. Very slightly. Okay, done. Done, sufficient. Assume, okay. This is what I told you. Because you are not knowing direction, assume away. If you get positive, means this assumption is correct. Member will be in tension. If you get negative, this assumption is wrong. It will be incoming. Member will be compression. So many questions are over. But remember, this question is, you should write all this. This question is not an independent question for method of section. You are first asked to solve by method of joints. And see, this force, we got this axial force, then this axial force, what these three you got here, they wanted to verify by method of sections. When you are verifying by method of sections, see, if you see this side, see, so from the joint C, this force is coming to the joint. If you take away from the joint, see, you should see what? Joint C. When you cut here, this force, not this arrow mark, because by this side you are seeing. So the force is coming to the joint. If you take away, negative will come, no doubt. But the person who told you to verify, what he will feel? You already know the answer. And we are verifying it. When you are verifying it, you are assuming direction. Looks very odd. He or she will tell, you don't believe your own answer. See, you don't believe your own answer. Then you should tell, get up from sleep then. Yes, I believe. Therefore, no. Since I am verifying the answer, I know the answer is like this. Therefore, I will assume, not assume, consider like that only. See, in the same direction what you got here. This force, see, it is this way here. Therefore, no. You will tell her, I am considering this way. coming, and this force is going away from the joint. Okay, away, forward. Now start. That's all sufficient. See, there are three unknown forces. These are thousands of times told for you. Three unknown forces, among which two of them are passing through a point. Which one? FG, this FG and FD. So take moment about F. Sigma, I'll start here now. Sigma M about F equal to 0. Take clockwise positive. Okay, start. When you take moment about F, this into 0, minus PCD into 5.1962. See, minus PCD. First of all, this step I should not explain. Minus PCD into 5.1962 anticlockwise. Then minus 20 into this distance. This is 6 meter. See, 20 into this distance is 3 meter. Minus 20 into, okay, 6 by 2 to make more clear. Minus 20 into half of 6. Then plus 47.598 into 6 clockwise. 9 into 0 equal to 0. Take your calculator. Therefore, you get the value of PCD. Now remember, you have to get positive. Why? We consider PCD in the same direction as we got by method of joint. Now you have to get positive. Okay. Otherwise, your answer is wrong. I check it now. 47.598 into 6 minus 20 into 3 divided by 5.1962. 43.414. Oh yes, perfectly correct. See, I got plus. Perfectly correct. 43.414 kilonewton. Okay. Sigma V equal to 0. Take upward positive. Start. Minus PFD sin 60. These all I will not explain now. See, if anybody want to explain further for all, then what is question number 79? And this is exercise question. Sin 60 minus 20 minus 10 plus 47.598 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PFD. Let me see how much you will get the answer. Kilonewton. See. 30 minus 47.598 divided by sin 60. 20.320. Oh, perfectly correct. See there, answer. Plus 20.320 kilonewton. Lastly, sigma H equal to 0. Take right side positive. 0. Start. Unknown first. PFG is unknown. Plus PFG minus PCD, no component. Then minus PFD into cos 60 and then plus 9 equal to 0. You know the value of PC. PCD is already known. See there. Substitute that PCD value. PFD also known. Substitute that PFD value. Therefore, you will get the value of PFG. See, I won't waste time telling all those things now. It is told so many times earlier. In the beginning all, I used to show the calculation, substituting, etc., etc. So, you will get PCD minus 43.414 minus PFD 20.320 into cos 60 plus 9 equal to so much 44.574 plus 44.574 kilonewton. Now, one statement you are right. I will give the statement for you. You write it. We got answer. We consider the unknown forces, three unknown forces, in the same direction as what we got here. This is the result by method of joint what we got, because we are verifying the answer. Therefore, Since you consider direction in the same direction as we got the answer towards joint C here, towards joint F here, now if it comes positive means the assumed or considered directions are correct. Yes, we got all of them positive. Therefore, all three directions correct. Now check the answer now. 43.414. See here. 43.414, 20.320, 44.576 here, 574. That you are helpless. Because of approximation, it will happen. 0.002. Okay. Therefore, write perfectly tally. Okay. Now, second part of the question. I'll finish it now. I better hurry a little because slowly rain is coming now. Okay, see now. Second part of the question. To verify, hurry means I will never hurry subject actually means don't tell too much things now. To verify the forces in DE, axial forces, EG and BG by method of section. See, these three members, see here. This one, and this one. So, cut like this. You write one more sketch there. See, not here. You write one more. This all I told you earlier. Write one more sketch and show the cut. Then see, 20 and 9 here. 42.402 here. See now, I told you we are verifying. Therefore, this force ED you take this way because why you know the answer. See this way, and here for E take this way. See, this way, and this force take this way. Okay, 60-degree angle. Now one thing I forgot last time. See last time I wrote. See when I remember. See last time. See now this time your cut is like this. Your cut is like this. Last time I forgot to explain, actually not required. Last time when you took section here, you look equilibrium to left side, easier. Now consider equilibrium to right side. Why? Very easy. See, right side. Then consider equilibrium of pin jointed plane frame to right of x-axis. Okay, start now. Now actually I should not do anything. Among the three unknowns, two unknowns are meeting at E. So this is the point E. See, E. So take moment about E. What you get? This into 0, this into 0, this into 0, this into 0. So plus PBG into 5.1962 minus 42.402 into 3 meter. See, this is 6 meter, this is 3 meter equal to 0. PBG will come plus 24.481. Sigma V0 minus PEG sin 60 minus 20 plus 42.402 equal to 0. You get PEG. Answer is there. Sigma H0 unknown is PBG minus PBG unknown is PED now. See these two are over. Plus PED minus PEG cos 60 minus PBG minus 9 equal to 0. By this time you know the value of PEG. See, PEG is known, substitute here. PBG is known, substitute here. You will get PED plus 46.415. I really calculated. Okay, now one statement. We considered the unknowns in the same direction as we got by method of joint. See, for E coming to the joint, for E going away from the joint, for B going away from the joint, and all of them we got positive. Means what direction we got is correct. Next, numerical value 46.415. Which one? ED. Oh, see here, perfectly correct. EG 25.86. Oh, here, see, beautifully tallying. 24.481 tallying. Therefore, results obtained by method of joints perfectly tallies, or result obtained by method of section as for the checking purpose perfectly tallies with that we got by method of joints. Okay, now little more brain is now reduced actually, but I do not know. See, suddenly it will start now. Little small sound is there. So anyway, sufficient. At least we started the class today. Now I will continue. Upload regularly. Remember, we are nearing the end of pin jointed plane frames. Maybe another, see, 79. Exercise question will go and touch 100. It will become more than 100. Maybe another 10 classes. Because after some time, I will upload per class 2-3 questions. Once we finish method of joint, we are entering the most important part of structural engineering, that is strength of materials. Okay, now go through thoroughly. Next class we will meet. Thank you.